Breaking news. Allegations surface of plot against Dr. Riek Machar. Juba, August 31st, 2025. South Sudan's political arena has been shaken by explosive allegations that Vice President for the Economic Cluster, Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, may have financed a plot to assassinate former First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. According to unverified reports from security and political sources, Bolmel is accused of paying $30 million to unidentified armed groups with instructions to storm Machar's residence and kill him. The alleged plot, if true, was intended to pave the way for Bolmel to position himself as successor to President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Government silence. As of press time, neither the government nor Vice President Bolmel's office has commented on the claims. State media has remained silent, and no official investigation has been announced. Reactions from Parliament and civil society. A member of Parliament, speaking on condition of anonymity, described the allegations as deeply troubling and called for a parliamentary inquiry. If these reports are true, they amount to treason and could plunge the country into another cycle of bloodshed, the MP said. Civil society leaders urged restraint and transparency. Rebecca Nyandeng Foundation, a prominent civic group in Juba, warned that rumors of assassination plots could fuel more mistrust and violence. South Sudanese are tired of bloodshed. Leaders must resolve differences through political dialogue, not killings, the foundation said in a statement. Analysts weigh in. Political analysts say the allegations, whether true or false, highlight the fragile balance of power within the ruling SPLM and among rival factions. Bolmel has been under increasing scrutiny in Parliament over corruption allegations, while Dr. Machar still commands loyalty among SPLAO supporters, said one Juba-based analyst. Even unverified claims like this can destabilize the already tense environment. International concern. Diplomatic sources in Juba told reporters that the United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, and Western embassies are monitoring the situation closely. A senior regional mediator, who asked not to be named, urged calm. South Sudan cannot afford another political assassination or violent power struggle. We call on leaders to put the peace of the nation first. Rising tensions. The report comes amid escalating violence in Upper Nile State, where fresh clashes between the SSPDF, SPLAIO, and the White Army have displaced thousands. Observers fear that the circulation of assassination claims could inflame frontline fighting and weaken the implementation of the fragile peace agreement. Editors note, these allegations remain unverified. The situation is developing, and this report will be updated as official responses emerge. Go explore 251, subscribe, and put on notification bell for new update. Police Garlight breaking news. Massive UPDF deployment in South Sudan sparks outcry. Nimule/Juba. The fragile calm in South Sudan has been shaken after reports confirmed that the Ugandan People's Defense Forces, UPDF, have deployed between 3,000 and 4,000 additional troops into the country through the Nimule border crossing. The heavily armed soldiers, accompanied by tanks, artillery, and armored vehicles, were seen advancing toward Juba and other strategic locations, bringing the total number of UPDF forces now stationed in South Sudan to nearly 5,000. Citizens alarmed. Residents in Juba expressed deep anxiety, saying the presence of such a large foreign force raises fears of occupation and could worsen political instability. We don't understand why UPDF is here in these numbers. If they came for peace, why are they bringing tanks? One resident asked. Government silent, opposition critical. The government of South Sudan has yet to issue an official statement on the latest deployment. However, senior officials privately indicated that Kampala's involvement may be linked to security cooperation agreements signed in recent years. Opposition groups, however, condemned the move. A spokesperson for the SPLMIO described the deployment as an invasion under the pretext of protection, warning that the presence of foreign troops could tilt the balance of ongoing political tensions. Regional concerns. Political analysts note that Uganda has long played a role in South Sudan's conflicts, often siding with the government in Juba. The new influx of UPDF soldiers, they warn, risks escalating mistrust between rival factions and undermining regional peace efforts led by IGAD. In Kampala, Ugandan officials remain tight-lipped. but sources hinted the deployment was aimed at protecting strategic interests and preventing the renewed violence in Upper Nile and Jonglei states from destabilizing the border region. International watchdog reactions. Human rights groups and international observers have also voiced concern. The United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, has not commented directly, but diplomats say the situation is being monitored closely amid fears it could derail the fragile peace process. Western embassies in Juba are said to be preparing statements demanding clarity on the mandate under which UPDF soldiers are operating inside South Sudan. Growing uncertainty. With no clear explanation from either Juba or Kampala, South Sudanese citizens remain on edge. Civil society leaders warn that the deployment of thousands of foreign troops without parliamentary approval could spark unrest and deepen divisions. Our sovereignty is at stake. If this is not explained, it risks plunging the nation into further turmoil, said one activist in Juba. This is a developing story. Stay tuned for more updates as reactions unfold from the government of South Sudan, Uganda, and international stakeholders. Breaking news. Drone attack forces emergency oil shutdown threatening South Sudan's economy. August 31st, 2025, Port Sudan/Juba. Sudan's Ministry of Energy and Petroleum has ordered an emergency shutdown of oil facilities in the Heglig area following a deadly drone attack early Saturday, raising fears of a major disruption to South Sudan's crude exports. The attack, blamed on the Paramilitary Rapid Support Forces, RSF, struck the Heglig operations base camp at around 2:30 a.m., damaging the airport terminal and forcing the evacuation of staff, according to a ministry letter dated August 30th and seen by Radio Tamazuch. The airport itself has remained non-operational since April 2023, but the strikes hit vital civilian oil infrastructure. The Heglig facility is a critical transit hub for crude pumped from South Sudan's Unity oil fields, which depend entirely on Sudanese pipelines to reach international markets through Port Sudan. Any disruption threatens to choke off South Sudan's fragile oil-dependent economy. Dr. Fadel Mahmoud, Sudan's acting Undersecretary of Petroleum, described the strikes as unprovoked and warned they posed a serious threat to the stability of oil flows. He said Khartoum could no longer guarantee the safety of oil workers on site and instructed 2B Operating Company, 2BOPCO, and Petrolines for Crude Oil Company Limited, PETCO, to trigger emergency shutdown procedures and evacuate staff. The ministry further warned that PETCO would miss scheduled crude liftings due to reduced staffing, following an earlier RSF drone strike on August 26 that killed 5 workers and injured 7. The base camp is purely civilian infrastructure with no military presence, the ministry stressed, condemning repeated RSF strikes that endanger non-combatants and essential oil operations. Both PETCO and 2BOPCO, in letters sent to their South Sudanese partners, Sud Petroleum Operating Company, SPOC, and Greater Pioneer Operating Company, GPOC, echoed concerns about worsening insecurity, warning that continued attacks could result in a total halt in oil operations. South Sudan, which currently exports about 110,000 barrels per day, relies on oil for the majority of its government revenue. A prolonged shutdown could trigger a severe economic crisis in Juba, already grappling with political instability and widespread conflict. Oil exports had only resumed in January after nearly a year-long suspension caused by pipeline damage during Sudan's ongoing civil war. The conflict between Sudan's army and the RSF, raging since April 2023, has killed tens of thousands and displaced more than 13 million people, threatening to destabilize not just Sudan, but also its neighbors across East Africa. With the latest attacks directly hitting the oil lifeline, the crisis now risks spilling over into South Sudan's economic and political survival. Police scarlight South Sudan on the brink of civil war as violence escalates. South Sudan is once again on the edge of a full-scale civil war as violence, insecurity, and political repression escalate across the country. Reports from multiple states confirm relentless attacks on civilians, leaving communities displaced, traumatized, and deprived of basic services. The situation has been described by rights groups as a total breakdown of law and order, with perpetrators rarely held accountable. Ethnic divide deepens. What began as political disputes is rapidly transforming into a dangerous ethnic confrontation between South Sudan's two largest communities, the Nuer and the Dinka. Analysts warn that if left unchecked, the violence could plunge the country back into the devastating cycle of ethnic-based conflict that defined the 2013 to 2018 civil war. The war has turned ethnic, and the consequences are catastrophic, said a civil society leader in Juba, speaking on condition of anonymity for security reasons. Ordinary people are paying the price for the power struggles of the elite. Opposition leaders silenced. The detention of senior opposition figures, including First Vice President Riek Machar and several SPLMIO commanders, has drawn sharp criticism both locally and internationally. Many argue that imprisoning political opponents will neither restore stability nor revive the broken peace agreement. Keeping leaders behind bars won't heal this country, said one political analyst in Nairobi. Instead, it risks fueling resentment and rebellion among their followers. Human rights in crisis. International watchdogs have raised concerns over widespread human rights violations, including extrajudicial killings, arbitrary arrests, and aerial bombardments targeting civilians. Aid agencies warn that millions could face famine if violence continues to disrupt farming and humanitarian access. Global and regional reactions. So far, the African Union and IGAD have called for restraint, urging President Salva Kiir's government to engage in dialogue rather than force. However, with reports of Ugandan troop deployments and rising involvement of local militias, fears of a wider regional escalation are growing. The United Nations has also warned that South Sudan risks losing international support if it continues to suppress political freedoms and ignore the suffering of its citizens. A nation at a crossroads. South Sudan, which only gained independence in 2011, has endured years of conflict, fragile peace deals, and unfulfilled promises of stability. Many citizens fear that the current trajectory could destroy the little progress made since the signing of the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. Peace cannot be built on silencing, bombing, and dividing people, said a displaced mother in Jonglei State. We want leaders who will save lives, not destroy them. Stay with Go Explore 251 for continuous updates on the unfolding crisis in South Sudan.
Mala medilian kadel. Anshela da tedalong katadin ken kane nisha. Alla na yeta loin medit. Akenyam. Chernay ne diala paivan kajan chanalama. Tinchero mat kajan buanamu ko bikilar tong kon lawan ka. Kajan chanalama bikin karling. A chernay ya kamaralong ini diala paivan ano. Bia kamal. Aka labarloin jam nisha ko bien lar tong kon muneke. A bien karling wame. Ilaga te the long kabendun. Adna ne dian con tinawan, kalaba ko bicalara bican kabeling guama, lane at a line with it long I support down la diana. Aviaco, Nam Trajapal, Agorijan or Miss Halar, Shamisharayat. Viacan Yakamandukund and Cancanangat, no take a guadlara, a moonlare, Katako and Canatonat, a Michale, go. Explore 2.1, a guadlara katok kawaine, Canatonat. Akab kaya mo siya loy ta tedalong ko le na banisiyang ko biadlar tong ko na kamne kia. Abia ko beling. Wana ko nyam kalaru ko na gol ko na le kon kaling. Ay char kata ang charlat kaya ko top nente bor. Malat ka guamo ke liu lat kan ho en South Sudan ep kum mi che pian ki ep kum chi je kata handa no kwaja lat kaya nei ko na no chap kwar ayo tin bot ka Dr. Machar. Chaka yen, wani ka kwarni Dr. Machar point ne chaka yen, ka buwan mi she ka paidok, namo ka ta ja kwar ayo chaka yen ka ya. Ai chine tu landore shi ka mot ka mu bit kan bot talum shi kana lal. Ai chi ka tam den chi kana nang ko bikana leben uang mutuwa ba. Ki ang mula rada re kuma ka malaku madung sa Sudan, himan boke, kwarni salpa ke mayadit. Chiga te beda. Lep kan tong kon lat ke ki ko nguyan ka kwariana na. An chi tam chawo ko muwe to gene ka pai dop ngai kona. An chiga te na ka pa de shok geyo ka pai ba ke len tama. Duel di yen ka. Dr. Machar point de charger lot charger caption ke charger gang trade dwara no chabo kaira tan cha yanten charna ka to ken cha ko yan ka bulua house mane kona mataka yuba and to toba kan kona lat garo hay yuba aka kwiga tin kona go ne dian ka lingalam and Dr. Machar taken it one long to raja no jan aramishin mo te ka jan cheliu ka kwida and Dr. Machar mo dong kwiyana Mutong kwi rudu na. Raya mo aray dayo. Chi ray dun. Ama kam nani ja hiya atla lar no. Dong de yen ling. Ami dong kwi Dr. Ek Machar wa chine atla dia ko ishine ngaja lang du. No matoda ne ka kwida. Ajan go ne bene madiemo. Ka gwa de kon ling kel kon ne nat. Agora no tin kon ban ladbona. Barbana doran bo kon nepen. Ko tega tila loy dur leja put micha adwa latino na mecha tenena. And Dr. Angwacha hekona yala boza ke jala kwar noramo, janman te kwar veja chale, telo no linga nora dial. Duno la tega ramutan yam dun. Badong bijat bil kulalat. Chelo no Dr. Angwacha linga nora dial. Karna ingwani, amita lejan, ichinuare chiga deta kwar, tine kondum wan long tinet, tangai kin wak tiga. Mane wude takoro misali jemat gadedak lampuar, nei konaram pelpelalong, kalong arokate ka kapazi di ko dabun lakwar bona. Neto, metega pinke jema shio. Ditala mga kene ka kiko deka wait ke deka rol deka na right, ke deka na bot. A kiko lana te kwar, matanyam dien. Kasi dino ya banyan budwa hungwar ladana. Laram ka lai go palganyam. Ajan ko kan la ling ke chatan ni nin no artela lat ken no arite ke chiang mi je chicken agoro no bram kel bondiam la gurgana ne diale ka par ikata ka line kel ke kata ka tap kel la cha gor te rambo niam ba bi niam to ram te ga ngai jala namma a char mi je ga kon goro de kon apal anu an te ga long da kanu an te ga malain ya ram do den men ne Dr. Eb mai sara don kya pargan maneje ay kuma ga dung sa Sudan don ke ne kamlani je ka kiko e cha kwar karun tumwan anjan Dr. Eb mai chap te ga ne wan long to lat jan o jan aramishi mot ketek jan aramisha nak antama morai kona Dr. Eb mai sar kete ten te ne tumwan la den ono ayene tona de ne luga no o jama shira nuga kara mila Dor le amu kadwal ko mi namalin yana wa kwaruni jana ga chanak. Changa mande yana lat. Yana thon ko mande yana lat. Arai jamo dong de ko na kap chong daragwa and Dr. Emma char point de jan chira mi chanak. Moda tini jan dul yen ka wa dana ja yen tandara. A jan kana nap moda te tega. Wai jamo goro de yana lingu ga ka dawo loidun. Tega tinyo da no Dr. Emma char kana nak. Ke jan wota teka. Chang na makukana lada no jan kana morai kang tede. A chuana no da kon ladu no kon di chuko yan cheliu. Raja mo tega ni wana da la den da ja jatit ke de deka dual. Deka wo kwaren cha kwaren nak. So a chang bunwara bugetem wan bekan kalat akalat ke kiko gang karolian ke gang kandorian ki gor kan chuandian. Namatarwa mateja kak, wana kawonya. Duno matuang de yano, Dr. Machar wanda, jateka, kananak. Duktinyo dano kananak. Damu kwijie, Dr. Machar wanda, teka kot, matapoinde. Amadene larian wala, madong kwijie chong up bang yo. Teka tiwante jalada longa Dr. Machar iro nuara namana. Tin kuila nyo dano jana tokot nuare. Ete poinde la kon a linga no kon te kon ga kun misala munden kam munden te ga tija ban pin kan ne ka trono kana ka ban pin ba te ne ga ramu ni ka misala munden kon ja ban pin nai nga chi chi ngoi nga te ta mu ram te se jing ni ja do to ni chi ni jing ben ka swine. Guk mijel ka swine. Mika nyangat. point này dân làm gục kể cả phút ban dân được point này mình trả luôn cái này còn là một cái phần cái ngoài cái là đang là chào trong một làng đèn lắng này giờ dân nào là những tháng nào bên ngủ như em mới chào mình đã là có ba này ya cái giang mình chắc là hoàng cái làng anh đang point này đúng chắc đang nước ngoài để cái đang cái như they're not no in fogalan te kaya ni fon mulo ra fa ban ring te kram na loy da mala wa ni ra na tu ban ni da lo ni no ga ni te da ga na idan kwai lo kam ra mo ko loy da mo mi se kare ma char ko dere lat ka bua ta lo ra da chibu pen du gwa lal ki jaten ka japen chibu pen ne ti ngop ka ke ja còn mấy con là nó đang muốn đảng và mi sai nhiều cái gì này sai nhiều cái gì đó biar liu kata dan là nó ra lát cái gì so mới lại lên là nó mò thay chi mới làm cái này bằng quanh để tết so karam mình thấy cái gì ajan riêng mà char kadua bo kam de riêng mà char cái gì riêng mà char aram coi lại chi aram là gor bana baga ba Ramu koi lai dung misa kam ramu la lai da wanga dera na dera gatuk ka dera dur kel misala jang ke dinka dera tuk dera na kelo so jan do nu koi lo kam wud misala doctor emo chave koi jan ramu koi lai chimre chipe do e be na wang ka dang ba nai kona te ka kor wi cha kona kap chuang ka ma khal ko mi ji ka kor mi chiro mala thana mai ke tak thana gan no na kwini dial Khai chuyện như tên cả là khâu tар, mấy chuyện này tuổi tất cả cặp nè là nè chú drive mấy cha cặp cho. Giờ là nè gì khơi mới drive cái đề quay đề cái chuyện mấy cha cặp cho cái thằng mới trả lại là khăn ở bờ cái khăn một thay đó cái này cái thằng giang cái kẹl. Trong cái gì nữa quên kìa. Đứa này cho nó udah mà xe uốn mà để nắc anh nhon. Cái xe uốn mà để liar để quýt. Chú ở park ở để nắc chờ cái thay ta nắc qua rồi nó thấy chú nó vào cái tu nó ngàn này được kẹn. Chú park cái un misal doctor ema cha un metiat ka security double ka chanman lat kona no pen kana ku de me pen kana ku de veja mo ya ne chatatan de ku tela am kel mun lade mane kona mono ne kona ta kuma kendial chiwa no kan malat ke un misal sal pa ke ma yadit chika no no mete ga mi se kana ngaja no cha lat ka ku doctor ema cha kana nega tin jawa yen kel Tega ne da la ti dat la nora ka nora ro dega ne shugula na no man chi to wa jana ta de kwich so an rem we char mo de jaten te du ri na du no an ku man bo ke a un mi jala sal pa ke ma ya dit e ku mi se ja kya ka manen kon un jala bol melo a bol melo ta man te la da la da net ni loida ka goro ko baban na la kwa ko ngai jan wa un jala sal pa ke ma ya dit cha dong Coi chỉ xong bậc mà ya đi xe đóng. Là này chạp loại để cô để một lỗ mà để lát. Coi dàn để bàn lọc qua rồi nó. Khi giờ là bù để bàn là success rồi nó. Mít em chỉ to cái self mà ya đi. Dàn một đàn là đấy. Nhìn dàn thế cái chạp loại để thế loại để thằng mà thấy chăng này dàn này được không kiên. Cái khi cô dàn thế cái một loại để cô gọi là dàn ở taram đóng bàn lọc qua. Mua tamu to ka salpa ke ma yadit jan ona ja long no dera un jale doctor ya ma char dera ja bat ka chi jan karwada ti jang do wana no de ya ma char de moy karek duno la kanwator on kana long no de kana bat ke de kana moy karek ke de kana lat karek ke go malat malakona lat duno dala ne ke kamal pala lat makune la de no jan poinda Aramato ko nore te poina. Tega chanda malum da loy dang khano un shal de mo cha cheramu de na kanyon ke cheramu de liade de kwich. Ne konta idien ga ja ka 2013 mi dia na kajuba. Ne konon wud janga ke kwarn salvo ke mayadit. Golo di jan odara Riek Machar bodara janak. Duno Riek Machar nena nana chi wankurum. La mandana di la lelidi la ya pale. Ka koda nan to point la yetiama. Bu mandana di lat bi pal. Ke la pal ni ruijino tem bulat ke je. So Riek Machar chui jen ke juba kara meja ke jen. Ajan kwan ni self ke me ya dit point. Ajan chol tarbielo me cho nang Riek. Riek nang ra getet. Manuk mi ba pan du be bokulo khaira ge jami bokulo jalgan na kan ne ga te jalgan kel te kan ko kongo ker. Me chapan ala mi yene bu yen tada ta la da ga yen en yen Riek Machar ke jubu medan no kwelo ga kongo bakulo nang wel bun ke to kya. Jen me jen chere ge jen ke e Moses ke Egypt. Tiada muni lengwa. Jen ke Moses ke Egypt minang God Israel rar. Den chalo nye paro. Jawar ga ke jaga paro. Ke cha jaga lora paro. Chi paro joga no. Kanta mo meladin wo jen mo. Jen bi jen yana ngana ke. Che paro jogan bi jen ka donko. Ka gad ko. Ka man ko. Ka oko. Ka kwa ko diel ka ngana ko. Ta joga. Jakam lor ko bawa. Chiu karu diel alaka. Chen che jisu wan diel chiu ka chol. Chiu ka jiu kon bana jen. Ka Egypt. Rồi con nuôi đàn. Anh ta mà ra lo dunu ka bu con ai jal. Chú cái gì lần cái thế đã phải rồi vì ai cha đâm nấu vì à. Mấy chú cậu mấy chị phải rồi vì rồi cha. Lúc cái gì nó để Israel để cái gì anh đã hồi không anh lát cái mona anh lát wait on anh te lát cái Egypt đun Egypt đi ăn đi trong một mà ta anh lát cái tông cô can chỉ có chiang pe jan tông cái chỉ có chiang là quanh. So chú can chú phải rồi lo gỡ nó bé đi nè cái dial bọc lo jack. En o ya na cái dian en ni Moses kan na cái dial kan ni Israel dial chỉ có kela. Tu no ko dial ko skel ke Moses. Chú can tala mi chao lat ka ka. Dian ko kon la linga no chú ko kiran tit kerat si ke kiran dar. Chú ko do lep ko chú ko kier. Ni ka chop den kier me ku de ni paro lo oi pan gan khoren lai chú ku tu yer den dial. Owai chu yer, yora de yo mat ka korga me si Moses, tata da chia lak ping. Owai chu yer, chu de ne paro di ande shuwa, chu ga chu lel, chu ga chu cham. Aje na ku kon lo bit, no mo kam je ye la chat, chu la ni yora kot. Kam ne je ye la chat ko bi anga je no. Jen ke un shale Dr. Riek ke juba, ke 2013. Riek ma cha salpa kera me nangarare wi ke juba, chu jo ko. Yena neko. Agenda ko wa chwe mani mi ja kon pa mo ro chire ka kaira re wich. Ka ko tangni ke ko kor ninni. Chwe la gore no beria ba jo gwa do ba dano we ka cha. Ko gore je no dare je na ko jen cha lo chum. Aje jang no mu pele re ko mu pele jo wana. Are ka naga. Chwe je ne kon ne bi la ko klar la ga la jaga. La day la ka yoro wat no kon directen tu no la jega no pai genen ta che tel ramme to che tarami shu kan je re do ara je directen gana nega gure ya helicopter no dere jawanak che ka tai cha musa salo gorge je dine pero ko chip ti pero la ro ya na kan gan ya mechi salpe lo odoro no na ka re kan ne dia le je ka no via gora ka helicopter Micha yor day, la bom nu micha ga yor bom nu. Bom nu tin ja yor tel ram la kan ajek la kala pen de day ga ban. Mane me chire kyuk ka kongo kan ne te jalgan ker. So micha no mo cha or lad bam. Mi mukwe ling. Cha or lad bang lad or ko ramo te ga mata poinde ke te ga ko midi ngach. So jana to wa no mo. Wun mi jala bol mel chawan an tama gajan tama te kwarga mo. Kay jan lat jan wana mo no dare ngot Duelian kamanin tama ko chai goro no bre bara ko mo re ko bara ko mate na chabu motan. Ko pass by president e Dr. Machar. Ne ye mo re mu wa ja lor ke bara dueliana. Bana kom da ba chabat. Ajan kwe lon gejen o bere ba gang dueliana ke dar yak dara mo kere. Reite jen ke gwa ja rei dara me ja yanten. Wai cha de la barar ke cha ko manan te ten cha de la kan. Kamata loide. Tu no cha bulong. Dem ku yede lingan o che yo tu wan. Cha ka cha na ko ka. To ona jen o derek de yonak. De kula lara to ite ga ne di chu nyin ge ka dwarika. Chi de penchang. E jan wa na ka jamona. Cha bu mo cha ra la ka ke liu. Che yo cha ka tup. Du no tell mo lo da ten. Ko ki ka mo ku kan la nga je ke ma la ne ye mo no point de mo cha. Chira mi nyur bang gen nyur te to point te go kun no ma to point de. So no mo goro bia nga je no no. Maneni ngo mo ken Uganda ni sa juru ke bi ke tero kor kana tar kora ke win to win no to ken. Te to mo ante let ken gare wi sa Sudan wa mo no. Du no che kon kanet. Ko kan bukan la ni cha juru ke yo. Amu cha juru be into azra mo nonge be yitian kelo. Jangon kana long no de ka wun chale Dr. Mo cha de kana bat du no dala ne ke. Dala ne ke du muta kan galang che yi kana no wal. Du no an menta point ka point de dala jang ko bukan let ka do. So to kana go ne de yen kaling. Goro bana tar ne go ka bana dan nge je go ko chikon ne kon. Chikon ka wat ke chikon do den chikon bu ja tit. Karai dwal ka no lat kon no. Cha kwan Dr. Mo cha jenak kwai ja mo we ne no cha go chikon de lat. Yene dian la roi ke media ke la roi mo. Gwa de ya rai mi cha kana ma de ya na pal ko che rai mi gwa ke dan. Ka chi kono no bwan o te ma de to wa ja kana ne ga dialon kono ja ga yen du yen ke. God kono no ene tam de ga barar ye mo. De ga barar la ni de pol pankien. A ka de ga lo jere la ne ken. Shega man ke ji so Sudan a che ga je wa ja da den. Anamo ajana nong ne ya de kono lat eno kon ne kon chuk akon ge che bab. Ke roine te lat kon ge tu kon no kwar che ten kwar cha nak raja mo de kon a kapchong kon ne dia loi ke media ti la du pon la katop agoro bu kala mi che kana bu kon a kapchong kwarande Dr. Mo chariaten ayen ganwar dian tilat ko ya down beja gang alani en ko gang yen darun kena ogori en chuandun anamo akalar to kon dogo ne dene kenong ye ka yan wama mijira mu karo mat ka yan bona manun gore yan obro ku mat ka yan bona ma ko bije subscribe in channel ma ko bije ram kelten karam kaneda kon la lien kalaraten ka gora bon mo biro en ti bide nyoka man ko diala kan ganije ka ki ko di larje di ka chere ko de ko ja kaneda ko ken Kipkine de teteno wan ate loy da lon katadunten. Lama luen jong ni chiang kaleng lardun. Kaleng dun kalat ko kono nong ne ke ye. Ko kuye mo chiloy da te dalam. Ambiate mane.